최고.
Alright, time for some more SMG4. Whether I like it or not. Yeah, we got some more. Yeah, I wasn't daddy yes in this, but, well, here we go. Clown fever. Clown fever, what? What does that mean? Does that mean clowns are sick and they got a fever? Do we have to cure the clowns? Oh, that sounds like something, you know, I don't like clowns. They freak me out. You know, they're supposed to be happy and funny, but no, they scare me. You know, I remember as a little boy, Mother would take me to the circus with Father. It was the only day that I could be happy, because they wouldn't beat me. And then we would see the circus and the elephants that they abused, apparently. And the tigers and all the other animals and stuff. I saw a kangaroo once. That was something. That was something. And then, well, it wasn't good things when I saw the clowns. Oh, they were scary. They were very far away, but I was terrified with their white faces and their smiling teeth and mouth. Yeah, they were smiling hard at me. I was just so uncomfortable in their stupid, goofy outfits. I just thought to myself, why? Why would you wear that stuff? You look like an idiot who goes out, wears that shit. Looks like you're wearing some fashy-washy pajamas. There was just nothing right with the images that clowns have. It was terrifying. Very, very terrifying. I always closed my eyes. I guess did this because I can't close my eyes. You know, not being able to close eyes and blink is kind of a pain. Yeah, it is. But clowns are scary, very, very scary, and I don't really want to deal with clowns. So whatever the hell this is, better not be scary. Yeah, you know, that's another reason why I've never seen It before, because It is a clown, and I don't like clowns. Yes. Yeah, I have clown issues, I guess. Honestly, most of the things I've said is not really important to the video, so I guess we should just go ahead and watch, because why not? You came here to watch, so we should watch. Yeah. You know, I will say this to end the stupid discussion that we're having. There was a man, I don't know what man, but he once said that there's a clown inside of all of us. When I heard that as a kid, I was terrified and asked the doctor if the clown would be taken out. But there is a clown inside of all of us. I don't know what that means, but they're there somewhere. Now, I don't know who said that. It's probably like a philosopher or something. Philosopher? It's not a thing. No. He was like an archaeologist. Archaeologist? Well, why would an archaeologist say? I don't know. Anyways, let's watch Clown Fever and just finally in my life. Yes, let's do it.
So nice.
So far so good. No clowns. Just a very disturbed man. That's good. I don't like clowns. Again, I said that for like a good solid 2 minutes that I don't like clowns, and thank goodness no clowns so far. What's happening? What's why would you do that, Luigi? Are you stupid? That's not something you put in food, Luigi. Wait, what's going on, Luigi? What's wrong with you, Luigi? Mario, what's wrong with your brother? He's kind of acting weird. Oh God, it's one of those funny ha-has. No, God, heaven on earth, it's a ha-ha funny man. He's doing, I don't know what he's doing, but it's terrifying. God, please, stop this. What do you want? Why are you bothering me? Oh, he's a clown. You don't say. You just now put that together? That's not a good thing. What the hell? Where'd you get a gun from? Stop. I don't feel safe. Okay, there's a clown. Why are you showing me this? What was the point of that? I don't know. And Clown Luigi's back.
Game theory, we're going to ask the big question.
No.
Did my wife
I don't care. I don't care about that. No. Does that work? Is he dead? No, it's made it worse. Oh, what are you doing? What the hell? How'd you make that from a balloon? No, stay away from me. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. Jet it. Jet it. Jet it. Come on. He's walking very slowly towards us. Jet it. Jet that bitch. Do something. Oh, okay, that'll probably work. All right, let's skadoosh. But first, yeah, kill him. Good. Was he dead? I hope he's dead. Yes, please save us. They're clowns. They're crazy clowns. They're doing their funny things. Wait, what? Wait, excuse me? Whoa, no, there's more of them. No, I don't like that. Stop that. Stop. How dare this clown roast me? No!
No, I've had enough of this.
Maggie, what are you doing? You should run away. They're gonna do the funny ha-has.
Moment to talk about Toad Christ.
No. Yeah, Hey, you fell, stupid bitch. What? Excuse me? No. Maggie's turning into one of them. Yeah, let's leave. There's no hope for her. That's not Maggie anymore. That's a demon. And we should run. Get away. And if we're not gonna run, we should kill her. But we're gonna run. Good. That's the good option. Sick, disgusting creatures. Ugh. So what's going on here? Why do you guys always have like a disease or infection that affects the entirety of the kingdom? You guys always have this shit. Why clowns now of all times? We have to fix this. They're praising the picture.
This is, but it's kind of...
I wouldn't go that far. Yeah, that is a good question.
Transformation is triggered when someone makes a small, insignificant mistake.
That can't be true. That is stupid logic. He made a stupid mistake, but look at him. He's not a clown. Yeah, never mind. You're right. I won't question you again.
Actually, I think you're not affected because you're too...
That is a good point.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, you'll
Look out for what? Oh, God, it's a man. Ram it. Yeah, no, shit. He's getting bored. Stay away from me, Mr. Clown. Oh, God, he's got gun. He's got gun. Ram it. No, more of them. Oh, God, no, this is bad. You have to do something useful. Obama, man, you're always there when we need you. Good. Hopefully that killed them all. Oh, he's moving. Hey, stay back. Good, he's dead now. Good. We killed them. So is this the place that we need to go? Should we be going in there? I mean, this seems like a place that clowns would be. What are you doing? Okay, that's a little funny. Oh, what was that? I don't like that noise. That's not a good noise. Oh, it's one of them. He's so ugly. I know, right? And he's crying. That's worse. An ugly thing crying. Oh, there's nothing worse than that. Ugh. Wait, it's him? I should have put that together.
My girlfriend left me.
Oh, yeah, and you think that's a good enough reason to infect the world with your weird clown juices?
Hey, man. Don't play your girlfriend as well.
Yeah, it is. Doesn't mean you have to cry like a bitch about it. Wait, help you? You want to help this guy? I rather would commit murder than that. Well, it's not like we can fix that.
Who's that?
Yeah, who is that? Wait, what? No, what the hell? I'm not you assholes! Now screw you! No. Oh, that's
Okay, Mario,
horrifying.
you're not
Why put the
Turn
clown
the
stuff
presso
on
with the
him?
biggest clown ever.
Oh, ew. Oh,
Just be
that's
yourself.
horrifying. I would run away, but I've seen too much clown shit today that I'm petrified scared, which means I won't run. I'm not giving a good excuse, am I? I'm just gonna shut up. Wow, you suck as a clown. No wonder your girlfriend left you. I mean, you're just a pathetic sight. I mean, you can't even be Mario, a guy that's been a clown for only a couple of seconds. You just can't outbeat him. That is just pathetic. Wow. Just, wow. I'm not surprised she left you again.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Oh, look at that. Ah ha ha. That's not funny. Now that's funny. That's quality clown content right there, unlike what the hell you're doing. Yeah, I like Mario better than you.
Did it work?
No, I don't think you did.
Sorry guys, it's no use. I'll never be the biggest clown.
Oh well,
Wait,
I mean we could still kill the guy. That seems like that's gonna end in hijinks, isn't it? Yep, there goes the hijinks. Oh shit. It's oh my god. Oh dear lord. What the? What the hell? No.
I'm a clown.
Oh dear. No, SMG4, no. Hey, whoa, what's going on here? There's some rumbles. I don't like those rumbles. What's happening here? She's got tits. So that was your girlfriend? She really did it with you, of all people? That's kind of unbelievable.
Honey, this show was bad for me. I'm the
Wow,
biggest clown.
wow, you dated that? I don't see that. I don't see that. Look at her laugh at you. You deserve to be laughed at.
Looks like I didn't write this episode
Huh?
properly.
Huh.
Mamma mia.
So wait, are we just gonna end the episode like this? Is that it? Wait. Is there gonna be like a resolution to all of this? Is that it? Oh God, what the hell? What's going on here? Oh, what the hell? Oh, no. What? What? Okay, that was something. Don't really know how to respond to that ending. That was just, Yeah, don't know how to respond to that. All right, so that was the video. Apparently. Yeah, I don't really know how to feel. I mean, this video was funny. You know, I'll give it that, but there wasn't really a resolution like, at all. Like, zero resolution. I mean, there might be a part 2. I mean, they might be saving all the resolution shit for part 2, because this seems like it's going to continue, and if not, that would just be kind of weird, and make this episode just kind of an odd entity within the SMG4 universe. I mean, so much happens here. Everyone's turning into clowns, and they're not going to resolve that, like, at all. Like, usually if there's, like, an infection, they always resolve it, and they didn't really do that here. So, I'm kind of confused to why they just ended it like that. Again, there could be a part 2 next week, and that's what I'm hoping for, because, you know, it seems like they're setting up that clown to be some evil villain, and jealous of SMG4 stealing his bitch. But, yeah, and also, ooh, Nelly, that clown girl. I think she has cured my fear of clowns, because, you know, you know, she's got tits. Oh. I still love Melanie, though. But, anyways, yeah, that was the video. It was good. I guess. Honestly, I don't even know how to properly feel about this video. Because, again, the ending wasn't really an ending. I mean, it alluded to a part 2, but also did not. Just the way they ended, like, in fourth wall broke the episode. Like, uh-oh, I didn't write the episode properly. And they're like, oh, there's only a couple of minutes left and nothing's been resolved. Like, uh-oh, I guess that's it. So, I don't know. I don't know about this video. It's fine. It's fine. Like, it's funny. You know, there's some great gags here. The clown stuff is just meh. I mean, like, the ending stuff, the clown stuff. The other clown stuff, you know, with them taking over. That was good. That was good. But everything else, I don't know. I don't know. If there's a part 2, then I feel like I'll have a better opinion on this episode. But right now, this feels like an incomplete story, and I don't know what to think. Is this an arc? Is this something that's setting up something? I don't know. This video is very odd. So I don't really know. But anyways, I guess that's it. So thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and of course, I'm going to see you all next time. So everybody, goodbye.